In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an HTML email signature in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through this together, step by step, so that by the end, your outgoing emails from Zoho look polished, on brand, and completely professional. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account with the right permissions to change email settings. First, head to the Settings area in Zoho CRM. You'll usually find this as a small gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your configuration options live, including anything related to communication and email. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Channels. This is where Zoho groups all the ways you interact with your leads and customers. Under Channels, click on Email. This will open up the main email configuration area where you can manage things like sending options, templates, and of course, signatures. Next, you'll want to find the tab called Email Configuration. In some versions of Zoho CRM, this might be labeled as Compose Settings instead. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different in your account. You're looking for the area that controls how your email compose window behaves. Go ahead and click that tab. Now, scroll down the page until you see the email signature section. This is where you'll either manage existing signatures or create a new one. Look for the option that says Add New Signature and click it. This will open up the signature editor where you can design or paste in your signature content. You'll see a formatting toolbar at the top of this editor, similar to what you'd find in a document or email editor. Since we're working with an HTML signature, we need to switch the editor into code mode. Find the code view icon, usually represented by a symbol that looks like angle brackets. Click that icon to switch from the visual editor to the HTML code editor. Now you'll see a plain text area where you can paste your signature's HTML. Copy your HTML signature code from wherever you've created or stored it, then paste it into this code view area. After pasting, you can toggle back out of code view if you'd like to preview how it looks. Once you're happy with the result, make sure to save your changes so your new HTML signature is applied to your outgoing emails.